Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway SaluSpa Hot Tub with full Chlorine Sanitizer Kit. Get ready, because things are about to get hot and relaxing in the soothing warmth of the Bestway SaluSpa Inflatable Hot Tub. It inflates in minutes, and the rapid heating system quickly heats the water up to 104 degrees, perfect for soothing sore muscles or lounging after a long day. This package also includes a leisure time chlorine full starter spa kit for easy hot tub maintenance. The kit comes with chlorinating granules to maintain a constant level of chlorine in your water. Product benefits: digitally controlled pump with soft touch control panel. The SaluSpa has 120 massage jets. Included 1 pool liner, 1 pool cover, 1 spa pump, 1 chemical floater, 2 filter cartridges, 1 repair patches, 1 air jet system. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.